Yes. Yeah. My name is Akibo Boyolufemi, MC Bobby, and of course, I'm the CEO, SLM Multimedia Concept, your number one photographer and videographer in UAE. I just want to inform you that we have new set of equipment for photo shoots and video shooting. So to all our existing customers and the new ones in UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, and the rest of the Emirates, we just want to assure you that we are going to give you the best of our services. So ranging from photo shoots, video shoots, talking about birthday celebrations, wedding and other events. So we are available for you to give you the best of our service, and with our new studio and the new equipment that we brought, definitely we have improved in our services at still the same affordable rate. Do you want a very nice photo shoot, video shooting with a very good editing? Don't hesitate to contact us in our studio. At the same time, we also offer home services and outdoor events. So contact us with the number that is scrolling on the screen, and we are going to give you the best. Don't forget, your satisfaction guarantee. We'll be looking forward to receive you in our studio or to receive your call for your home services. So see you in our studio. Catch ya.